Hey, thanks so much for clicking the link to get to this page. In the button, the link that's down below, it's going to take you to Replace Your University. And it really started out as Replace Your Mortgage with Michael Lush and his team, and they've really expanded and done a lot with the company other than just teaching people how to replace their mortgage with a first lien position home equity line of credit, that HELOC, that has helped a ton of people within the program, and specifically has helped my wife and I get on track to pay down a lot of debt, but also to be able to pay our house off in a much faster time. And I've been working hard on increasing my overall income. And part of that is the affiliate link that is connected to this and actually running this portion as a business. And again, I wouldn't ask anybody to do this if it wasn't something that I, number one, believed in, and especially if it's something that I haven't tried and that I've been successful with myself. And that's why I'm super proud to be able to even bring that to you as somebody that's interested in this. And there's no obligation to click that link. There's no obligation if you just sit down and have a conversation with one of their folks and get a consultation and just get more understanding of what it is. It requires a little bit of knowledge. It requires the ability to kind of reset and reframe how you think about mortgages. We've been told and advertised and marketed to believe one thing, and this is just a different perspective. So it's very simple, but it does require a change in thinking, and it requires a change in strategy, even though it is a very simple strategy. And once you have what you need to get it done, it will come very easily, and it'll be second nature to you, just like being able to automate your bills and everything else. So with that, go ahead and click that link below. Again, yes, it is an affiliate link. If you join the program, I will get a kickback from the program, but I will see you in there. If you have any questions at all, just reach out to me at cashflowveteran@protonmail.com. For right now, go ahead and click that link, and we'll see you on the inside of Replace Your University and Replace Your Mortgage. Take care.